Welcome to Chapter 3. Chapter 3 really serves as the foundation for the rest of your accounting classes. Okay, in this chapter, we're going to learn about the rules in the first part of the chapter. The rules, we're going to learn about the accounting equation, the first steps of the accounting cycle, how to use the equation when we're recording transactions, and then recording transactions through journal entries, which we use for the rest of the semester. So this is a critical chapter. It is a long chapter. So do tuck in, curl up, do your reading. So read your textbook, and it's going to be really important for you to take notes, whether that's notes from the book or from my videos. Okay, but however you learn flashcards, note-taking, whatever it is, make sure you do it for this chapter because these are your core concepts that really are critical for the rest of the semester and any future accounting class that you take. All right, guys, tuck in.